St. Louis Midwest Helicopters. They're all taking a nice flight with Charlie, our pilot.
Okay.
Boy, I got a little one who wants to
clear.
go. He wants to go. He wants to ride on. He'd ride on that landing gear if he could.
I apologize.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're gonna want this for your insurance. Ride's over, huh?
You okay?
Huh?
You all right?
Yeah, I think everybody's okay. Yeah.
Relax up a little bit.
Crap.
Is everybody all right?
Yeah, she wasn't hurt too, or him or you.
Let's go ahead and accept this thing's leaking gas, so. Yeah.
Yeah, the fuel's coming out of there, all right.